Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, guys. Oh, no, not the fudge fingers. Yeah. Hello, any beaver traps out there?
Thanks, but I'm not good at tests or book stuff. I'm an artist.
You are exactly like your dad.
I don't know who my dad is.
Apple don't fall far from the knees.
You mean Grojo could be my dad? Nappy, give me your camera.
It's beaver. It smells like burnt beaver. Holy shit, there's photos. Oh, yeah. There's my mom.
Hey, Grego. Hey, guys, wait for
He
me.
is my dad. He is my dad. Not. He is my dad.
I told the other two to get out of here while I take care of these pieces of shit.
Can it, freak show? Dad and Mom are trying to talk here.
His Hawaiian shirt. I want that.
My ALOHA shirt?
No shirt. No Mary Jane.